Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Reservoir Fibers. I'm Lindsay. I'm the fiber artist here, and today we're going to do a tutorial on the crocodile stitch. I have this pattern up for the mermaid scale gloves on Ravelry and Craftsy, and I figured I'd make my own crochet tutorial to link to the pattern because why wouldn't I have already done that? So today we're doing that, and these are the gloves that you can find the pattern for. They're called mermaid scale gloves. You can find it on Ravelry and Craftsy, and this yarn is unbelievable. It's from my favorite gradient person in the world, Little Favorites by Ray, in Germany. I have it all sent over to America, but how can I not? It's so beautiful, right? This is the Hawaiian Sunset colorway. I made these gloves for an order, and I switched crochet hooks. I went from a 3.5 millimeter crochet dude hook to a 3.5 millimeter clover hook, and it must be like just the tiniest bit smaller, or I must be crocheting tighter or something, but these came out a little bit snugger than they usually do, so I'm making a second pair that's just a little bit larger to send out. And these ones are actually for sale on Facebook. I'm trying to get it up on my website, but the website seems to be down right now, so I will have them up on my website if they don't sell out before then. So today, the crocodile stitch. As you can see, this whole glove is made with crocodile stitches, and it just, I love the texture of it. It's so pretty. And I hear a lot of people say that they're intimidated by the crochet stitch, and I don't know why. I mean, I know it looks a little bit hard, but it really isn't. It's all double crochets, and it's pretty much making a foundation and then you just double crochet around it 10 times. It's really not that hard, and I'm going to show you today, and hopefully you'll feel a little bit more comfortable and you'll want to try it yourself and make a pair of gloves or make a shawl or make anything really that you want to make with the crocodile stitch in it. It's so beautiful. I love texture. I love crochet with texture, and this is one of my patterns that has a bunch of texture. It's all texture. I just love the stitch. I thought, why not, right? Make a whole glove. And this is a lace weight yarn, so it forms really nicely to your arm versus using like a worsted weight or something like that. That's bigger. They look chunkier. I just feel it looks a little bit more refined when you do it with smaller, thinner yarn and a smaller hook. I just think it looks like a machine made it. That's my aesthetic, is I like to have people go, wow, a person made those? Versus, oh, you can tell someone made that. You know what I mean? So we're going to do a tutorial today to get you a little bit more comfortable with the crocodile stitch, and I hope after you watch this you'll do something for yourself with the crocodile stitch. So I'm going to switch everything around and get my camera up above me so you can see my hands at work, and we're going to do the last couple rows of the crocodile stitch on these gloves. You can find the pattern on my website, www.reservoirfibers.com, or you can just go onto Ravelry or Craftsy and look up Reservoir Fibers or look up the mermaid scale gloves and you'll find it. You can see, they'll stick out to you. I think the picture is with the flowing lava cake from Little Favorites by Ray, but she's got a bunch of gradients. I would recommend every single one of them. You can make gloves out of any one. I actually just got all of the yardage for her per color change, so you can actually order mini cakes from her to make your own versus having to cut up a whole 1,000-yard cake, which is what I do. I like having the extra and make extra stuff with the extra. I just wind it on to my yarn winder and make like a smaller cake after. But that's all explained in the pattern. This is just a video to show you how to do the crochet stitch, the crocodile stitch, and hopefully help you figure out how to do it for yourself and be a little bit more comfortable. So I'm going to switch this over and we'll be right back.